Hi and welcome to our in-depth analysis of Gland Pharma Ltd, a leading player in the pharmaceuticals industry. Gland Pharma develops and manufactures active pharmaceutical ingredients. The company's products include injectables, pre-filled syringes, vials, ampoules, ophthalmic solutions, lyophilized vials, and long-acting injectables, suspensions and hormonal products. In this video, we will delve into Gland Pharma Ltd business segments, revenue segments, shareholding, management, cost structure, financials and management outlook for the future. Let's get started on the stock analysis of Gland Pharma Ltd. But before that, let me introduce ourselves. We are PA Wealth, an investment services group. We offer stocks PMS, mutual funds, alternative investment funds, insurance, and startup investments. Every week, we upload research videos on different companies, mutual funds, and financial topics. Stay ahead of the curve with the latest trends and insights by subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon to get notified about potential multi-bagger stocks. Let us provide a brief introduction to Gland Pharma. This organization was established in Hyderabad in 1978. The company's global footprint spreads across 60 countries, including the United States, Europe, Canada, Australia, India and other markets. The company operates B2B model and have an excellent track record in the development, manufacturing and marketing of complex injectables. Let's take a look at the business segments of Gland Pharma. This company covers 4 types of business segments. Gland Pharma employs B2B IP-led strategies, utilizing intellectual assets for collaborations, licensing, and partnerships within the pharmaceutical sector. The company facilitates B2B tech transfer, actively sharing and acquiring pharmaceutical technologies to boost capabilities and stimulate innovation. In B2B CMO, Gland Pharma optimizes efficiency and enhances the supply chain through collaborations with contract manufacturing organizations, streamlining services. In B2C model, company directly selling pharmaceutical products, ensuring accessibility, and addressing the healthcare needs of individual consumers. Now, let's discuss the revenue segments of Gland Pharma. This business is primarily segmented into 6 categories, each contributing to the company's overall revenue. B2B, IP-led partner A&DA is the largest segment of the company revenue, accounts for 47.06% of the company's revenue. B2B, IP-led own A&DA is the second largest segment of the company's revenue, accounting for 32.99% of the total revenue. B2B, tech transfer accounts for 14.61% of total revenue. B2B, CMO segment accounts for 1.94% of total revenue. B2C, India segment accounts for 2.49% of the total revenue. While the remaining business activities like export incentives, India covers 0.90% of the total revenue. Geographical-wise revenue. The US is the largest source of revenue for Gland Pharma, accounting for 53.55% of its total revenue. Europe accounts for 18.12% of total revenue. India accounts for 6.38% of the total revenue. Other core markets for 2.59% of the total revenue. Rest of the world for 19.37% of the market. Now, let's take a look at the management of Gland Pharma. Mr. Srinivas Sadhu is the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer. He holds Master's degree in Industrial Pharmacy from Long Island University, New York, MBA from University of Maryland, Baltimore, and postgraduate certification in Finance and Management from London School of Business and Finance. He has over 23 years of experience in business development. He has been associated with Gland Pharma Ltd for the last 22 years. Mr. Yiu Kwan Stanley Lau is the Chairman and Independent Director. He holds a bachelor's degree in pharmacy from the School of Pharmacy, University of London. He is a director on the board of directors Solazia Pharma KK and Tai Lai Bioscience Limited. Let's take a look at the shareholding of Gland Pharma. The promoters are the largest shareholders of Gland Pharma with a holding of 57.86%. Foreign institutional investors hold 4.91% of the shares. Mutual funds hold 19.79% of the shares. The public holds 14.78% of the shares. Other institutions include several investors, such as banks and insurance companies. They hold 2.66% of the shares. Let's take a look at the cost structure of Gland Pharma. Raw material expenses are the largest component Gland Pharma Ltd cost structure, accounting for 47.90% of the total costs in the financial year 2023. Employee cost accounts for 11.05% of total costs. Selling and administrative expenses account for 5.24% of total costs. Other expenses account for 1.23% of total costs. Other manufacturing expenses account for 4.25% of total costs. Power and fuel costs account for 3.45% of total costs. Now, let's focus on the financials of Gland Pharma. The table shows that the company's net sales have grown steadily over the past 10 years, from 990.92 crores in the financial year 2014 to 3,616.53 in the financial year 2023 at a CAGR of 13.82%. The company's profit after tax has also grown steadily, from 223.89 crores in the financial year 2014 to 775.82 crores in the financial year 2023 at a CAGR of 13.23%. At last, the company's return on equity has decreased from 26.9% in the financial year 2014 to 9.8% in the financial year 2023. Let's now turn to the management commentaries to get a better understanding of the company's performance. Injectables have emerged as the second largest drug delivery system, also representing approximately 43% of the global pharmaceutical market in terms of the value in FY23. The company has recently debuted 34 items in the US market, and further 9 of which were newly introduced as of Q2 FY24. The demand for injectable drugs is expanding furthermore. They are increasingly used in the treatment of various conditions. In September 2023, Gland and its partners filed a total of 336 ANDAs in the US. Among these, 275 received approval, while 61 remained unresolved. Additionally, the company holds an impressive global presence with 1641 product registrations worldwide. Capex in April 2023, this company acquired 100% of Cenexi for €120 million. Founded in 2004, Cenexi and its subsidiaries are engaged in contract development and manufacturing operations. Additionally, Cenexi has 4 manufacturing sites in Europe, 3 in France and 1 in Belgium. That's all for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more research-based financial content and click the bell icon for potential multi-bagger stocks. In the comments below, let us know what topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching.